Hi boys and girls. Yay! Today we are going to be making one of my favorite things. What's that, Shay? We are going to be making unicorn cookies. Unicorn cookies? Oh, I think I'm gonna like today's cooking lesson. Oh, I know you will, Giver, because I know you love to eat cookies, and these cookies are extra yummy. Oh boy, let's get cooking. how to make a parchment decorating cone. You want to start with a square of parchment. You're going to fold it in half, open it up, and then cut it into 2 equal triangles. Each triangle will be will make one cone, one decorating cone. The thing I like about these is when you're done, you just throw it away and you can get a very fine tip on it. So to create the cone, you're going to find the center of the long end. You're going to hold that center, and you're going to take the edge and you're going to roll it up. So you find a nice point there. Hold that and then roll the other one the same way around it like that. You can tell if you've got it correct by this point should be in the middle and these 2 points should be just about equal. Fold it over like that. And to keep it from unrolling, I like to cut a little notch in it. Like that. Fold that notch down, and that keeps it from unrolling. If you're working with kids, once the cone is filled, you can take a push it closed like that, roll it over, take a stapler and staple it, and it helps the kids be able to work with it. You can see there's a nice fine point on it. How many cookies did you make, boys and girls? We made lots more cookies than you see here, but somebody decided they needed to eat some of them. Well, somebody had to taste them and make sure they were delicious. I agree, but you did eat a lot of cookies. When you make some unicorn cookies, boys and girls, take a picture of them and send them to Hearts Like Kids. And Dr. Joanette will post them on Hearts Like Kids for everybody to see. Oh, that is a really great idea, Shay. Send your cookie pictures, boys and girls. And we'll see you next time.